Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by exposing the cane or wooden handle where the thread will sit. Once cleaned with alcohol and dried, lay out a 20-30 cm extra length of waxed cotton thread. Tie a small temporary anchor not at the butt end so the first wrap stays. This gives you consistent tension from the first turn. As you begin, watch alignment. Make sure the first 1-2 wraps run perfectly parallel to the handle so subsequent diagonal turns track evenly. Once anchored, you wrap diagonally at a steady 45 degrees 60 degrees angle, overlapping each turn by roughly 1/3 to 1/2 of the thread width. This creates a dense protective sheath and trims vibration. Keep your pulling tension constant, firm enough to compress the previous layer, but not so tight that the thread cuts into the handle. As you progress, pause every 4-6 turns to smooth with your thumb and realign any slippage. This prevents uneven. You finish by locking the last wrap with a neat knot or half hitch, then apply a small dab of adhesive or clear varnish to the knot and seam. Make sure to trim excess thread flush once the glue is tacky, not wet so it doesn't wick. Once done, run your hand over the job to confirm smoothness and seam security. If you notice looseness or gaps, unwrap the last 5-10 cm, retension the thread slightly tighter, and reapply. That usually corrects common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.